Hello guys, welcome to Math Today. Today we are working with area and fractions. So you will need this page and this page right here. So first things first, let's go ahead and fill out our table of contents. So we will flip to the beginning of our interactive notebook. And on page, we are now on 35. We will write area and fractions. And we'll also have page 36. You can just say ditto. If you'd like to write it out, you can pause here and do so. Otherwise, we will skip back to page 35. I'm going to make sure I label it in the corner. And then I'm going to take this page here, cut all along the border, and paste it down. All right, now that you have that pasted in there, let's go ahead and look at our page. So like I said, we're working with area and fractions today, and our learning objective is I can find the area of a rectangle with fractional side lengths. So the first thing that we need to look at is our formula for area. Now area is finding this whole space right here. So in order to find area, we need to multiply our length times our width. Now length we write in a cursive L so that you can tell the difference between that and a 1. If I were to write length like this, sometimes you might think that's a 1. It's always best to write it cursive, so length times width. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our example here. When we want to find our area, I remember that area is length times width. So the first thing I'm going to look at is what is my length? How long are my sides? And I see that that is 4 inches. Now I'll look at my width. What is my width? I see that that is 4/5 inches. Now to find my area, all I do is multiply across. Now with whole numbers, and I'm going to show my work down here, with whole numbers, I can show that as a fraction by just putting it over 1. So I have 4 over 1 times 4/5. When I multiply fractions, multiply my numerators first. 4 times 4 gives me 16. And multiply my denominators. 1 times 5 gives me 5. So now I have 16 over 5 square inches, but I know that this is a improper fraction where 16 is greater than 5, so I need to reduce. So if I were to take 16 over 5, I know 5 can go into 16 3 times, and I have 1/5 left over. So my area is 3 1/5 square inches. Now the reason this is square inches is because I'm multiplying inches by inches. And when you do inches by inches, that turns squared because you have the same unit twice. So 3 1/5 square inches is my answer. Let's go ahead and look at a second example. Remembering that area is length times width. First I'll look at my length. My shape is 2 inches long. I'll look at my width. It is 3/4 inches wide. So now I'll go to multiply my fractions. I can write 2 as 2 over 1 times 3 over 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. When I go to reduce, I see 1 whole for my 4 over 4. And I know that I have 2/4 left over. So my area would be 1 2/4 square inches. Now 1 2/4 can also simplify to 1 1/2 if you would prefer. But our main goal is to just get it from this improper fraction to our mixed number. Okay. So let's go ahead and turn to the next page, which is page 36. And I'm going to take this page right here, cut all along the black border. Don't cut out the individual shapes, just cut out the black border and paste it down. All right, now that we have that pasted down, we'll go ahead and work through these problems. So my first one, I see 3 inches times 3/4. So I know that area equals length times width. My length is 3 inches and my width is 3/4 inches. I can write my 3 whole number as a 3/1. Now I'll just multiply. Numerators first. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. I want to reduce my improper fraction, and I will reduce that to 2/1/4. So my area is 2/1/4 square inches. Okay. Now I want you guys to label these as 1, 2, and oh, sorry guys, I just messed up those labels, so bear with me. So this one up here is 1, this is 2, here is 3, and here is 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. These are going to be your homework problems for the night. So in Schoology, you'll just see my answer to number 1 is blank. So you'll put in your answer number 1, answer number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay? So make sure you have these numbers written correctly so they correspond with each question. If you need help, you can always come to the 1 o'clock, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.